Hello, my name is Joel Brown, and I participated in the IlluminXation program directed by Dr. Nadine James as a student. I initially joined the program in the year 2017, and every year since I've witnessed the program grow, evolve, and improve. The amazing thing about this program is that my academics have transformed too, and the IlluminXation program has brought me to a new level in my education. Since joining the program, I've been on high honor roll every single quarter. And as of 2021, I'm now a senior in high school and I'm not planning on losing that momentum. This science-based program has opened my eyes to the medical field and science research. Over the years, I've learned about a variety of topics, and looking back now, I'm able to see how much this program has truly benefited me. I've developed a strong work ethic, enhanced my understanding of science, which in turn made me develop a stronger love for science and the medical field. And in addition to this, I've improved my public speaking, presentation, research, creative, and critical thinking skills. These are just a few of the many benefits I've experienced. By participating in this program, I feel prepared to face my prospective future in the medical field, and I would recommend this program to anyone and everyone that wants to share the benefits previously mentioned. Because of this program, I'm more determined than ever to work hard for the future that I want. And I'm encouraged to not only work hard inside of school, but outside as well. And due to this program, I'll do just that. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to donate or enroll your child in this impactful program for the benefit of children from age 5 and young people just like me, please contact Dr. Nadine James or go to the website at www.illuminxation.org. Additional information will be in the caption and comment section below.